Did you know the exchange rate between Canada and the US has gone on a wild ride since the year 2000? Back in 2000, one US dollar cost about 1.48 Canadian dollars. But in the early 2000s, the Canadian dollar actually got stronger. By 2007, it took just 1.07 KD to buy one USD. That was a big deal for Canadians traveling or shopping in the States. But then, things changed. After 2011, the loonie, Canada's dollar, started losing ground. By 2015, it took over 1.27 CAD to get one USD, and the trend mostly continued. In 2020, it was around 1.34, and by 2025, it's expected to hit 1.44 CAD per US dollar. What drives these changes? A mix of oil prices, the economy, and global events. So if you're tracking your travel budget or investments, keep an eye on this dollar duo. Hit follow for more money insights.